Hi friends, welcome back my channel Gulf Lotto. Today's little draw for November 22. Previous result 718. Here only two number passed. Now the number is 8062. This is prediction number. You make set 806062 like. Here I reveal little draw tricks. Little draw number 029. Here I write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the little draw number. I make on box. Little draw first draw result is 827. Here they put here 827 down. This is down. Next draw result 618. 618 up. This is up. Next draw result 052. 052. They make 2 down. This is down. And fourth result 294. They make 2 down, up. 294 up. Arrow mark is up. And fifth result 362. They make 362. Here 2. 362 down. Then they make up. Arrow mark up. Result 708. 708 here 8. Seventh result is they make double 323. 323. Maybe this. Maybe 323. Like this. Don't know correct. 8 result 738. They make 73 here 8. 738. Their draw number like this. Now 3 number here 748 or 848, 482, 472 like this balance have. Maybe next or next draw they put same like this. Maybe previous result they put 7 on 8 like this. Good luck all of you. Please share this video your friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.